Mga flower like gumamela. Bumalik ulit yan. Chan chan. Daming pa. Nakapasa dito. Yep, love.
Approaching school zone.
This is one of my dreams. Remember, I always told you I want to sit beside you when you're driving.
First your hand here or am I too far away?
Why? It's not, I'm not close to you, honey. Because your car is big. Hindi kami magkalapit kasi ang lawin yung sa kanya. 7-Eleven. Look at that! 7-Eleven! That is, from Philippines, asawa. 7-Eleven. How can I hold your hand?